This is Ice Cream Gecko, and in today's video we are going to take a look at Cornetto Max Mango and Vanilla. 4 ice cream cones are in this pack, and today it is finally time to take a look at these together. Max Layers, Max Irresistibility. Unwrap a smooth white disc and discover a delicious mango and passion fruit sauce, all nestled between vanilla and mango ice cream and ending in our signature crunchy cone and a chocolatey tip. Lovely. I have never had an ice cream that was as irresistibly described as this one. Pause if you want to take a look at the ingredients list right there. I am sorry I had the do not eat sticker on this thing in the freezer because I don't have a freezer of my own, and now I've torn up a bit of the ingredients list. And pause, of course, if you want to read the ingredients list in a different language as well as the nutrition table down here. Okay, we've got an ice cream, 4 of them in here. It's called Max, which is fantastic, which makes it better, of course, because I'm called Max as well. So we are a match made in heaven, I hope. But I'm not a huge fan of mango, so yeah, I hope that this is good still. Interestingly, we've got the blue wrapper of the ice cream that they usually have when you get these boxes, not a signature differently colored wrapper for the Max Mango and Vanilla ice cream right here. I'll put the other ones back in the freezer and I'll be back with you in just a second. Okay, I'm back at the desk, slightly out of breath. I had to run down the stairs and run them back up again. So let us unwrap the Cornetto Max Mango and Vanilla. I've got a nice cardboard disc here covering the top of the ice cream. Let us do the regular Cornetto unwrapping procedure. I have to say that this looks quite alright. We have this, like, I guess, white chocolate disc. Then we've got some sauce there, some ice cream, and some more ice cream, yellow and white. So what does it say here? Mango ice cream and vanilla ice cream in a wafer cone with chocolate flavor coating, mango and passion fruit sauce. White disc with dried mango and coconut pieces. Okay, mango and coconut pieces seems to be what we have there. Yeah, we've got the white chocolate and the sauce that is hopefully resembling what we are promised. It's can I get it fully out of its little wrapper? Oh. Should have started from the bottom, maybe. Okay, maybe I should have. Is there something left? No. Oh, we are missing the slight little tip. Okay, this is the ice cream, I guess. So I'm going to take a bite out of this one now. Yeah. I guess we've got white chocolate up there. And some sauce. Let's take a look at the crystally sauce that we have right here. Feels like a sorbet under the spoon. Oh yeah, it does have a bit of a sour, fruity flavor to it. Let's take a look at the ice cream. Can I? Oh yes, I can rid it of its chocolate. The ice cream is kind of icy, ice crystally, I should say. Not too bad in texture though. And we are already getting to the core with the mango, what was it? Mango and passion fruit sauce. Let's try to get the disc off right here. Can we do that? We can do that, okay. Let's try to taste this one all on its own. Yeah, taste of white chocolate and the described fruit pieces. So let's take the knife and slice through the middle of it. Okay, not really the middle, but it is an approximation of sorts, I guess. And here we have a cross-section of the Cornetto Max ice cream. It does look really nice, quite like this. We've got the sauce here that extends to about where the chocolate starts, well, where this chocolate sort of seam is, between the inner chocolate coating and the endel wafer cone, to have the ice cream. Let's take another look at the ice cream all by itself. Yeah, there's a certain mango flavor to it. I'm not the biggest man of mango, the biggest fan of mango, but over here it's fine, of course, because it's called the Max Cornetto. Sauce reminds me more of a almost like sorbet filling of this thing. Not as saucy, more icy than saucy in this case. Overall, I have to say though that this seems to be quite an alright product that we have here. Flavor-wise, the wafer cone seems to be okay as well. So as of right now, I have to say that most of the things that we could take a look at here are quite alright. Yeah, so I guess I'm going to finish this off, and I'll see you with the review sheet in just a second. Alright, the consumption process is complete and we are ready to rate this with the review sheet. First impression wise, I'm giving 1 out of 1 available point. I have to say that scent wise and looks wise, this was pretty much spot on, so I don't really have anything to complain about, and therefore I am giving 1 out of 1 available point. Color wise, I'm giving 1 out of 1 available point as well, because everything looked as it, well, pretty much did on the packaging, not really too far off this. So again, well, aside from the sauce, that really was very different. And the mango, I guess mango style ice cream, that looked even better in person than it did here on the packaging. Therefore, yeah, still, I'm giving 1 out of 1 available point. Consistency and texture wise, I'm giving 1.5 out of 2 available points. Everything was quite alright. The white chocolate disc with these little pieces, fruit pieces on the very top, that was very nice. The base ice cream was okay, a bit crystally. Maybe I could give half points here, but I did like, once again, the wafer cone, the chocolate, and well, how it all plays together. These cornettos are quite alright when it comes to eating experiences. They are not too brittle, the wafer cone, they're not too hard, not too soft. I think they're quite right. They are where they should be. Therefore, in total, I'm still giving a 1.5 out of 2 available points. Taste-wise, I'm giving 4 out of 5 available points because all of the flavors that we have been promised have been in here. And I have to say that even though I don't really like mango, I do like this particular ice cream, I have to say. The vanilla wasn't really something that shined through at all, but something that you have to say is that with the vanilla flavor that you find in ice creams these days, because it's so abundant, I certainly don't really taste it too much anymore at all. Maybe I'm too numbed down or too desensitized to vanilla flavor that when something else comes along, it takes the limelight in a heartbeat. And so did the mango flavor here today. Still though, 4 out of 5 for the Cornetto Max Mango Vanilla ice cream in the taste department. Themalization wise, I'm giving 1 out of 1 available point because it was quite close to what it was looking like on the box. Maybe not the creaminess of the, well, cream, the sauce, I should say the sauce inside, but still it was alright. If I was a bit less biased towards Cornettos, I might give a 0.5 or 0.75 here, but I still like this, and it's called Max. How can I not give themalization a 1 out of 1 when I like the ice cream, right? 8.5 out of 10 is therefore the final rating for the Cornetto Max Mango and Vanilla. If you have had this particular ice cream before, please let me know in the comment section whether or not you liked it. I have had today, I think for the first time, a Mango Max, Cornetto Max, and while I don't really know what the max part is, it's not large, it's not the most brilliant, most fantastic thing ever. I don't know why it's called Max therefore, but I think it's all right. Yeah. So let me know what you think about it, and I think on that it is time to end this particular video. If you've got a question or a video suggestion, please leave it in the comment section down below, and if you want to see more videos just like this one, feel free to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I'm going to see you soon. Until then, Opa.